Yeah, so look at this. So inside here, really easy to see line across the ceiling. I haven't bothered to level everything out, but we have a nice, really just nice solid line there, easy to see with a cross. So if we go through and level things out, it'll be really easy to see. I mean, look at how apparent this beam is on this beam. So yeah, great little kit, really easy to see these green lasers, and I like that it blinks to tell you when you're not sitting level. All right, let's open up this Jorgensen kit. So this is a green beam cross-line laser level with a tripod. So one big kit. It says 65-foot reach. That's nice. And let's open the side of it here. Okay, so they have an instruction manual here. Yeah! There's the laser. Okay, so it does a crossed line out the front. No batteries in it yet. Batteries go in the bottom here. And would you look at that, they give you 2 genuine Duracell batteries. All be danged. That is something you don't see very often, is some good quality batteries. Huh, okay. Let's put that in there. A little screw hole in the bottom for screwing to a tripod. And really easy, just turn it on the front. So I don't think we'll have many problems at all. I think I put my batteries in upside down though. I sure did. There we go. Really easy to change out the batteries. Oh yeah. I think this was one that's supposed to be kind of self-leveling to make a 90. So if it's not still or if it's not flat, it'll blink. Okay. So we got a little mount here. Oh, this is cool. So you can mount this thing right here. It will rotate, which is nice. But you can mount this thing with a screw to the wall or a nail and a magnet on the back. Oh, cool. And they give you a tripod, so you don't have to go out and spend your money on a stinking tripod. And if you do YouTube, oh, there was a hole in the end of the bag. I didn't have to tear out the other end. If you do YouTube or anything, kind of nice to have an extra tripod laying around anyhow. This is nice. Okay. Let's, I'm going to go set this thing up real quick. Okay, just for fun, let's look at the tripod first. So the legs extend from 2 spots. They got little swivelly feet to keep things kind of flat. Not a super tall tripod. This is supposed to be a pretty compact package. It does got a little spinner here so you can raise and lower as well. And then a rotator here. And then this guy will pop out if you need to remove it. Okay. And then this whole thing you can unlock to flop back and forth too. Let's just put the laser on here. Okay, so just how we're clear on how this thing works. Little screw thing on the bottom. This is part of the tripod. You disconnect it, you screw it on here. You kind of tighten down on the bottom just a little bit. And then we put it on the tripod. So like this. Like right, yeah. Then you close it like that. We can tighten this down a little bit further if we want. But looks good. Okay, so I got the level set up here. Aiming it at the wall. It'll blink 2 times if it's not, it'll blink 2 times if it's not level. It can self-level within about 4 degrees. Okay, so I've got pointed up over here. I did put some stuff in here in the past, and I did not have them up very plumb and level. My bad. Oh, shoot, I'm out of level actually right now, which is cool. So I'd look up here, it blinks. I know that I'm out of level. I'll have to go back here, change where this thing's sitting, get this thing level. But you can kind of see in theory what we're doing here. We have a nice, really easy to see green line showing us where we're at, so we don't have to snap a line here. Pretty easy.